Make up your mind and stick it out or start again. You can't imagine what an effort it takes when you make a mistake, and you know in the wake that our heart's gonna break. If you need her, you should be there. Well, if your floor makes you flush and your heartbeat is rushed, then get out of the slush till your dog team to mush. If you need her, you should be there. Go home. If you think of her as Joan of Arc, she's burning for you, get your car out of park. And if you think of her as Catherine the Great, then you should be the horse to help her meet her fate. If you need her, you should be there. Go home. You can't believe it, but it's true. She's given everything to you. Now take a moment to be sure before you give it all to her. Well, now you're thinking that it's over at last, all your woes in the past, but you got to be fast. Put your foot on the gas. If you need her, you should be there. So now you're out from under the gun, and it's over and done. I won't spoil all the fun, but if you ever wonder, she'll be there. If you need her, go home. If you're lucky to be one of the few to find somebody who can tolerate you, then I shouldn't have to tell you again.